Dr. Shannon Moore, and I'm here at Hartland Veterinary Clinic with my friend Turbo, and we're here to discuss female dog spays and why you should do it. It's very, very important to go ahead and spay your dog at an early age. We recommend around 6 months to go ahead and spay, and the reason is that as dogs go through their first heat cycle, they're at a much greater risk for developing mammary cancer in the future. The other thing that you want to avoid is something called a pyometra. This is basically a pus-filled uterus. It's an infection in the uterus that can develop after a heat cycle. And this is a life-threatening emergency if this happens to your dog. If you spay your dog, this will not happen and you won't have to worry about that. But a pyometra can be upwards of $2,000 at an emergency clinic, and many dogs actually do not survive if it's left too long. The other thing that's important with spaying your dog is that it definitely helps to decrease costs for you in the future. Rabies certificates, generally most counties will charge you more if your dog is not neutered, so it will save you quite a bit of money as far as that goes, since rabies shots need to be done yearly and county costs go up. The other thing about spaying that's very important is that we euthanize dogs all of the time because they're unwanted. They end up at shelters, and there's nothing more heartbreaking than not having the room and the means to be able to, find these puppies a home. And so it's just much more responsible to go ahead and spay your animal at an early age, because we already are overloaded with puppies that we can't find homes for. The shelters are overrun with animals, and so we need to do our part in trying to help solve this problem. So those are all of the reasons why you should spay your dog.